Welcome back, or if you're new here, great to have you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a polished professional resume in just a few minutes using Canva Docs and Magic Write, Canva's powerful AI writing tool. Whether you're applying for a job, an internship, or simply updating your profile, this tool can save you time and make your resume stand out. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva Docs from your main Canva dashboard. Open a new document by selecting the blank canvas. At the top of your screen, you'll see Magic Write. Click on it. That's where the magic begins. A prompt window will appear, and this is where you describe what kind of resume you want. For this tutorial, I've prepared a prompt tailored to a business administration bachelor student. It includes all the essentials: education, skills, academic projects, internships, and is written in an ATS-friendly format. You'll see it on the screen, and I've also included the exact prompt in the video description so you can copy it and adapt it to your own profile. Paste the prompt, hit Generate, and just like that, Magic Write creates a clear, structured resume draft in seconds. If you're happy with the layout, click Insert to add it to your Canva doc. From there, it's all about personalizing it. Adjust the details to reflect your real academic and professional experience. Magic Write gives you a solid foundation to build from, designed to catch the eye of recruiters, pass ATS systems, and get you closer to landing interviews. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, drop a comment below and tell me what Canva or AI tools you'd like to learn about next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time.